Welcome to Lolly's Cooking Channel.
And today we make these beautiful cinnamon rolls.
Here.
I don't know where she got those from, but anyways, we shall be cutting and tasting the cinnamon rolls.
Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make these beautiful cinnamon rolls, keep watching.
So for our cinnamon rolls, we have cinnamon, we have all-purpose flour, egg, 2 large egg, brown sugar, white sugar, butter, active yeast, salt, and milk, liquid milk, and water. So this is all we need for our cinnamon rolls. Can we just get into it? God bless. So this all-purpose flour and is 4 cups of all-purpose flour. So we'll be pouring it into our mixer. So the next thing that we're going to be adding in our sugar. So I'm using 1, 2, 3. So I'm using 3 sugar with my tablespoon. So I'm going to go in with my active yeast. My active yeast is 2 tablespoons of active yeast. So I'm going to pour in some of my milk, and add in salt. So we'll be mixing them up. So I'll be adding in my 2 large eggs. So we will now mix everything together on a slow mix. So I'm going to be allowing it to mix until we get our gluten out. We want it to stretch. So that is what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to just leave it for 2-3 minutes to mix up on a slow speed. So this is what we're waiting for. We can see how stretchy it is. So this is the stretchy we're looking for. So I'm going to scrape it off and just scrape it off the bowl. With my scraper. Scraping it into another bowl. So we're going to allow it to rest at least for an hour, so you can see the texture. This is what we're looking for, is stretchy. So we're going to allow it to rest and double the size. Just paste it on it and cover and allow to rest. My hands are clean, so you should have a clean hand. So my dough has doubled. Just going to put that away and I'm going to press it down and just pour it on my table. Putting this out.
This thing is really...
So I'm going to get my... So I've just cut it into two. So I'm just going to allow it while I do my filling first. So for my filling, I have my cinnamon. Pour it into my bowl. This is 1.5 of cinnamon powder. I have in here biscuits. This is crushed biscuits. So you can use any biscuits of your choice. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to be adding in my sugar, grounded sugar. This is the brown sugar. 1, 2, 3. So mix them together to give us a dark color. So I'll now be adding in some of my butter. This is 90 grams. So I'll be mixing them in until it's well combined. So now it's well combined. So I'm going to be setting it aside while I do my rolls. So I'm going to be rolling out my dough now. Roll out. Okay. So I'm just going to cut out some of the edges. So I'll be putting in my filling. Just spread it. So now I'm going to be rolling it. Make sure it's well rolled. So I'm going to be cutting now from the middle. So I'll be putting it in my baking pan, and let me just put it. So this is how it looks. So we're putting it in our baking pan. And I'll just put my baking pan here. We'll be putting it up. Spread, and you just go back one more time. This, and we open it up. Okay, so let's get it cut. So this is what we really mean. See the color. So we are ready. We're doing the last bits. So we're going to allow it to rest for 10 to 20 minutes before we bake. Tomato go off. So our cinnamon rolls is ready to go into the oven. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hair brush it. I'm going to brush it. So I will be using my egg, the white part of my egg. I will remove the yolk. I'm not using the yolk. So I'm going to be adding some milk in, liquid milk, just so I'm going to brush it. So it's ready to go into the oven now. So we're ready to put it in our oven. and we're going to be baking for 150 degrees. Wow, it's ready. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, look at it, it's ready. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move it aside and now do the dressing for the top. So we'll be doing the dressing for the top. So I have in here my lemon and 3 spoons of icing sugar. Lemon and 3 spoons of icing sugar. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to cut my lemon and squeeze it into my icing sugar. And I'm going to be making a paste. Wow. So I'm going to be using my spoon to just so mix it out. So we're going to bring this back in and we're just going to pour in our paste in. Wow. So it's ready. So you're ready. It's ready. So we allow it to come to room temperature. It's a little still hot. Then we cut and enjoy. Thank you for staying with us till now. Please do give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. God bless you. We love you.